I get asked a lot about what is AI's role in Google's algorithm. Right now, we're in the chaos of Google deciding what is acceptable when it comes to AI-generated content. Most people are using AI to write their content for their website quickly and with little effort. But the warning is, yes, it may be easy now, but that content should not be the foundation of your content strategy. You should expect it to be worthless in the future. Focus on using AI as a tool. Just like how you use a hammer to make the job simpler, but you are still required to swing the hammer accurately to be effective. Use AI to start your process or create creative headlines or subject lines. A human is still needed to be fully involved in the process.